Jesus.
Lights. Try not to step on anything. Let's see. Box. Clear box. There we go. Got it. All right. We got a box. Summit appears to have overcome their COVID era shipping difficulties. This showed up in less than 14 hours. Yes. New cap. New wheel hub that also comes with a cap. So, if you remember our last episode, we had a little trouble getting the dust cap off the front right wheel. That bearing's got a little bit of play in it. It wasn't coming off easily, so ordered new parts. So now I am free to really put the monkey to the one that's on the car to try and get it off. And if it won't come off, then we'll cut it off. And we've got spare parts. Now we can do that, and we can get it off and get the car running.
Several days later.
Okay, so we made another attempt at this hub with the pipe wrench, and something stiffer than a. Where'd you go? There you are. Something stiffer than a. Where's the damn nuts? There we go. Something stiffer than a pry bar, and couldn't get it off. So we're going to got a plan. 2 stages. Stage 1, we're gonna carefully cut the top off of the cap, and then once we get that out of the way, we will then slot it and then cave in the threads and then pull the cap out. If we can do that successfully, we can save the hub and we don't have to pull the brakes apart and change the hub. If that doesn't work, then we can cut all the way through the hub, get the spindle nut off, get the entire assembly off, and I'll just replace the entire hub. I have spare. So let's get rolling. time you put them on, you need to take them back off after you spin it around and spin it and make sure that your cotter pin isn't contacting the inside of this hub, because I've had that happen and it chews this up and it gets aluminum everywhere. It makes a mess. Alright, so now that we've done all that on the other side, over here, this side's got a bit of play too. Thought it might be useful for comparison to show you folks the way this operation is supposed to go. Of course, on the other side, this dust cap had screwed itself on so hard that it wouldn't come off. This side has the opposite problem. So we've got vinyl tape on here, and really this is all it takes to hold it. That comes off. Cotter pin right there. Pin out. Alright, so all I gotta do, loosen that nut, retorque it to 17 foot-pounds. Alright, spin it, and you loosen it again. And you retighten it finger tight while spinning this. And if you don't quite line up for the hole for the thing, you just turn it ever so much till your holes line up. Spin it, make sure you're free. Put a new cotter pin in. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's the way it should be. But, you know, whatever. Anyway, that's it for this one. I'm going to put this all back together. You don't need to watch that. Thanks for watching. And, you know, hit the like and subscribe. And I'm 1/4 of the way to, to enough subscribers for YouTube to pay me like 3 or 4 cents a month. So, you know, keep it coming.